Your eyes are too small.
Your nose is too big.
Brows are too thin.
Your thighs are too thick.
Hey, why is your hair so rough?
Why is that shoulder so broad?
You need to be fair.
You need to be lean.
Is that how you win?
Feminine beauty ideal says, physical attractiveness is one of women's most important asset. Something every woman should strive for. Something every woman should maintain. We have bombarded this idea of beauty standards since time immemorial. It is a cultural and a social construct. And we have been passing this idea through our generations in a very wrong way. We did a research activity where we took a group of 10 children, showed them pictures of 2 dolls, one white and one black.
हेलो
Hi.
हाय, अपना नाम बताओ हमें. हरमन. अभी हम आपको 2 डॉल्स की पिक्चर्स दिखाएंगे. ओके? आपको बतानी है कि आपको कौन सी डॉल पसंद आई है. ओके? रेडी? ओह, दैट वाज फास्ट. आपको ये डॉल पसंद आई है? आपको ये डॉल क्यों पसंद आई हरमन?
क्योंकि ये गोरी है.
जोर से बोलो.
क्योंकि ये गोरी है.
और कोई रीजन? सुंदर है. ओके.
There were 8 more children, like Harman, who chose the white doll instead of the black one. But then we came across this girl. This girl showed us something that we were least expecting.
हेलो अनायशा.
हेलो.
ओके, सो अभी मैं आपको एक बात बताने जा रही हूँ. हम बहुत सारे बच्चों के पास गए उन 2 डॉल्स की पिक्चर्स लेके जो हमने आपको भी दिखाई, और सबने वाइट वाली डॉल को सिलेक्ट की. बट आप वो पहले बच्चे हो जिसने ब्लैक डॉल सेलेक्ट की है. उसलिए एक्सक्लूसिवली हमने आपको यहाँ बिठाया कि आप हमें बताओ कि आपने उस ब्लैक वाली डॉल को सिलेक्ट क्यों किया.
मैंने उस ब्लैक वाली डॉल को सिलेक्ट किया क्योंकि वो मेरी जैसी दिखती है. हर हेयर्स इज ब्लैक एंड माई हेयर्स आर ऑल्सो ब्लैक. हम डेली लाइफ में प्रिंसेस नहीं बन सकते. दैट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. वो मेरी जैसी दिखती है. उसने नॉर्मल क्लोथ्स पहने हुए थे और मैंने भी नॉर्मल क्लोथ्स पहने हुए थे, इसलिए मैंने उसे चूज़ किया.
क्या पर आपने बचपन में कभी किसी ब्लैक डॉल के साथ खेला है? That's how it should be, isn't it?
And that is what we need to understand. That is what we need to teach our children. Girls, have you ever played with a doll that looks like you? A doll that represents you? Boys, have you ever gifted your little sisters a doll that is not white and dreamy? It starts right from there. It starts right from our childhood. Whenever we see a small girl dressed up, we go like, "Oh, तुम कितनी सुंदर हो. अरे आपकी बेटी तो बड़ी होकर बहुत खूबसूरत लगेगी. इसके लिए रिश्ते की कोई कमी नहीं होगी." Why don't we compliment our little girls on the wonderful qualities they possess? Why don't we say them, तुम कितनी kind हो, तुम कितनी brave हो, you can do this, you can win the world, you are no less. But no, we only go like, you're beautiful. And I can tell you that you can question anything about beauty because most of it is a lie. For example, to look like Bella. When we think we're not enough by looking at a picture of a model, and trust me, it happens, we do not only lower our body satisfaction and self-esteem, but also invite depression and body shame. We have been given TED Talks coming from models who have undergone plastic surgery, saying looks don't matter. The ISAPS, which is International Society for Aesthetic Plastic Surgery, reveals the gender indifference between men versus women who have undergone plastic surgery. In case of men, the number is 204,146. Whereas in case of women who have undergone plastic surgeries, the number is freaking 1,347,465. Why does the society ask us to correct things? Why do we as women face criticisms while our male friends or male cousins don't? And do you have any idea how many companies have you made rich because you think you need to correct something in yourself? Maybe your face, maybe your eyes, maybe your arms, maybe your legs. There are so many creams, capsules available making companies richer day by day. The year 1715, riots broke out in France because of excess use of flour on skin by aristocrats, and that led to food shortage. Because you need to be looking white all the time, and here's showing you how. Okay, we get it. Each one of us wants to look presentable. The problem is not wanting to look beautiful. The problem is that we are taking it way too seriously. The problem is that is all our young girls want to be. Beautiful. We put pictures up on the gram, trying to make it look flawless so that people value our photos. But stop! Are you valuing yourself? And it is so funny that we sometimes think that we can't do certain things just because we're not pretty enough.
तुम वहाँ जाकर मत बोलो, कोई आखिर तुम्हारी बात क्यों सुनेगा? तुम उस लड़के के साथ डेट पे जाने का सोच भी कैसे सकती हो? वो तुम्हारी तरफ देखेगा भी नहीं। अरे तुम ये कंपटीशन कैसे जीत सकती हो? तुम उतनी ब्यूटीफुल ही नहीं हो।
The point is, we think we can't do certain things just because we're not pretty enough. I mean, how did we get to a point where so much of a woman's time and energy is taken away by concerns like these? And I don't know how many videos have been made.
And how many videos have we seen? But
We still fear.
we still fear unacceptance, we still fear rejection.
And this woman's tip, don't let anyone tell you that you're not beautiful enough. Don't let anyone tell you that you can't do things.
Happy Women's Day! I hope आप सबको हमारी वीडियो पसंद आई हो, और अगर पसंद आई हो तो
Like, share, subscribe कर दो.
Also make sure you follow us on Instagram and press the bell icon.
Until next time. Bye.